Free radicals might sound like the name of a pop group, but their less groovy name, reactive oxygen species, is a bit more specific. The destructive ability of free radicals lies in the fact that these oxygen-containing molecules carry a single electron. Because electrons much prefer to travel in pairs, they try to grab a partner electron from other molecules. And electrons are not fussy. One from a cell wall will do, even though it may cause that cell to die as a result. Taking one from your DNA may cause a mutation that leads to cancer, and the harmful effect of free radicals is what's known as oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs naturally just by breathing or moving, basically when your body converts food into energy. Free radicals are generated in much higher numbers by alcohol consumption, cigarette smoke, pollution, pesticides, ultraviolet light, stress, lack of sleep, and fried foods, especially meat. We can naturally limit our exposure to some of these things by living a healthy lifestyle, but to stop breathing, eating, and moving is a different matter. It is at this point where antioxidants come into play, as they can balance and disarm free radicals by donating an electron without turning into electron scavenging substances themselves, thereby neutralizing them and eliminating them in one fell swoop. Antioxidants are not really a specific substance, but more a term that describes as to how such substances behave. There are hundreds or even thousands of substances that can perform as antioxidants. Whilst our body produces some, most will come from the food we eat. The best known are the ACE vitamins, namely A, beta-carotene, C and E, plus selenium, lycopene and polyphenols. But there are many more. Lemon juice and lime juice prevent oxidization because they contain vitamin C, and even soya may have antioxidant properties as it contains phyostrogen. Although the term antioxidant throws many substances together, antioxidants actually all behave slightly differently and serve unique biological functions. This is why it is important to eat a diverse range of colourful fruits and vegetables, hence the 5-a-day slogan we all hear about. You would be better off eating 30 different plant foods over the course of a week, rather than focusing on 1 or 2 so-called superfoods, which are likely more expensive anyway. We can ensure we get a wide variety of antioxidants by consuming a rainbow of coloured veggies, as natural pigments in plants called flavonoids are high in antioxidants, so you can easily source your antioxidant intake from the colour on your plate. So we suggest you might consider sweet potato, carrots, tomatoes, red peppers, purple sprouting broccoli, red cabbage, asparagus, curly kale, berries and avocados, with many other besides. Do leave a comment if you have any other recommendations.